What is going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. Welcome back to all the new people. Welcome back to all the old OGs of the channel. We're almost at 4,000. Like always, very appreciated. Thank you guys, I love you guys. Anyways, today's video, as you can see by the title, it is the transformation video of the Rsx. The Rsx is finally done. The whole DC5 transformation, Type R type stuff is actually getting very close. And it looks amazing. It looks beautiful. As you guys know, I bought a Type S Aspec not a few months ago, but like I would say like a month ago. And I was transferring everything over from that car to this car, basically coilovers, Type S kit. I took the Type S kit to get painted. As you can see in the back, the wing is installed. The whole kit is already on the car and it looks amazing. All the badges have been transferred. The only thing that the car has that is a flaw, which you guys saw on the vlog that we were fixing the headlights, was that when I was taking off the Rsx badge, this is the original 04 paint that this car has. So when I was taking off the Rsx badge, it came off and it ripped off the paint. So the paint actually came off like the Rsx logo. And that's something I gotta get taken care of. I have to take it to the body shop and get that painted, get the whole trunk painted. But for now, I was talking to the gentleman that painted my car, the EK hatch, and you know, I told him, hey, I got a couple of parts for the Type S. I'm gonna take it to you so we could get it painted. Guy got back to me within like 3 days. Yo, your parts are done. Slapped them on the car and the car looks amazing. There's a complete transformation. The only thing now we have to do is kind of, you know, do seats, do some of the stuff that I got going on. I bought some Cusco stuff that should be coming in for the car soon. Monday is a very important day. Monday, I have a tracking number and it should be here Monday. The very surprise part, the rare part that I bought, I wouldn't say one of one, but there hasn't been made one in years, and it recently got put out. They recently made an order for one in 2010. ICB had it, your boy had to pick it up, and it'll be here Monday, so I'll show it to you guys. I don't want to talk more. I want to show you guys the full Aspec kit is already on the car. It looks amazing. Acura Honda Classic took care of the alignment, took care of the tuning of the whole suspension. I want to appreciate those guys. I want to shout out mad love to them. That's family right there. I'll leave a link below to their channel and their Instagram so you guys can check out what they're doing. Acura Honda Classic, Mike Chang, John, Miguel, Paint Society, all you guys. I love you guys. You guys are the best. Thank you for helping me out with the suspension. Aspec kit is on. Hope you guys enjoy it. Remember to hit the thumbs up and subscribe. It goes a long way. Let's enjoy the video. Alright, so yesterday I was out here doing the time lapse, but I had to leave because the wind was so hard that I couldn't film anything. There's probably still a little bit of wind and you're probably gonna hear it, but I wanted to go over the car as the car is finished. I'm actually gonna hand over the camera to Juan so he can record for me. I got him here with the S1000 and I'm just gonna step off a little bit. So alright, so the car is an 04, as everyone knows, original paint from 2004, roof, everything is mint. The other Rsx that I bought that had the Aspec kit, I took the whole Aspec kit out of it. I put it on the car, got it painted. As you can see here in the wing, everything's been paint matched. The whole side skirts, everything else. If you come close on the side skirts, come over here one. If you come close on the side skirts, you can see that I bought and I put the molding on it. You guys were looking at the time lapse for that. The side skirts, everything else in the front. And let's go to the front here. It's just kind of a small transformation I've been doing on the car. It's just a little bit of it. Actually, you know what? Here, flip this so you can see it where you're aiming.
Yeah, I don't know what I'm looking at.
It's just a small transformation. The car's super dirty now, but you can see the whole lip is on it. Paint match pretty good. Really good, actually. The whole, you know, red H and all that stuff. People are asking me if I wanted to do fogs. I'm really not going to do fogs. But I'm just going to leave it without the fogs. The car is super dirty, but step back a little bit. We get a whole look at the car. It looks amazing. So it just kind of changed the car completely, huh? The car's looking amazing.
Like I had painted it. Painted the kit.
Yeah, the painted kit. The good thing is the car was garage painted, so the whole car has been, you know, the paint has been immaculate. I try not to, when I wash it, like not to scrub too much and then not to use a lot of it. But for the alignment, I want to give a shout out to Acura Honda Classic for aligning the car. It came out perfect, the alignment on it, and they kind of adjusted the suspension on it a little bit because because when I put it on, I really didn't measure it. I just kind of put it on in a rush, and I took it to the dealer and I said, you know what, I'll have them align it. Big shout out to them for helping me out with that. And that's it. This is the complete car for now. Something is coming tomorrow. A little bit of a surprise. Wheels are already in order. I'll show you guys later on. We'll make a video so you guys can see the wheels. And that's it. That's how she looks. What we'll do now, we'll get into like some B-rolls and like some like nice cinematography shooting and stuff like that I got one here to help me out. We'll go with that. Alright, so yesterday I left the dealer. I was talking to the guys and I really couldn't talk much. So I picked up this part number, or this piece, which is the rubber insulator that goes between the lip and the actual bumper. And we're going to be installing it now. Just because I don't want it to be like that against the paint. And I also bought some 3M tape so I could get it a little closer because that's how the OEM does it. So let's go ahead and jump into the time lapse. Let's do it. Alright, so this is how it looks. You guys have seen it on the EK hatch. Unfortunately, this lip does have a broken tab, and that gap right there I can't get away from. They tried to put 3 on tape and it didn't work. But this is how it looks all around. You go to here, and that's how it looks. Alright guys, once again, don't vlog and drive, but hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to subscribe, smash the thumbs up. We're almost at 4,000. I'll see you guys in the next one.